everyone. So again, here we are on our week 2. Today is Friday and we are going to talk about this and those. So the things that we're going to talk about today is first, of course, we are going to listen to a song, the one from YouTube. Second, we are going to discuss this and those. And third is we are going to have our sit work. So, before we move forward, let's have our first vocabulary for today. The first one is whiteboard. So, this is an example of a whiteboard. What is whiteboard? A board with a smooth white surface that can be written on with special markers. The one we have in our classroom. The one that I use to write on it is the whiteboard markers. So now let's move forward to our first thing that we have to do. So first is we have to listen to a song. So go to classwork and listen to the song, the one that I posted from YouTube, and take a look. Here's the classwork. This one, you have to click it and go to week 2, Friday, June 11, and you'll see it there. There's name song that you have to click and listen to it. All right, now let's move to our second vocabulary for today. Second is umbrella. Umbrella. So I think everybody knows what umbrella is. Umbrella is a hand tool that is used to protect people against from rain or sun. Sometimes if it's raining sometimes when it's sunny we use umbrella, and most of the time when it's raining we use umbrella too. So now let's move forward to our lesson. So we are going to talk about this and those. Yesterday we talked about this and that. So when we say this, we use this when it is near and it is plural. Alright? Yesterday, it's near and it's singular. It's far and singular. Right now, it's near and plural. Alright? The spelling of this is These. This. We use this one for near and plural one. Next one is, we use those, Those, for far, and it's for plural form. Okay, here's the thing. Again, we use this for near and plural. We use those for far and plural. What do we mean by plural? If you do not understand what plural is, it means that it is two or more person, things, animals, or places. Let's move forward to our example so you will understand. Example. These are apples. If you will notice, apples is with letter S because it is 3 apples. And we use this, These, because it is near and it is plural. It is 2 or more things. So we have here 3 apples. Now for those, we use those because we have 3 apples. Same thing, but it is far. That is why we are going to use those. These are apples. Those are apples. Another example. We have here ducks. These are ducks. Since it is near and we have 2 ducks, we are going to use this. And now we have here monkeys. We have 2 monkeys and it is far. We are going to use those. These are ducks. Those are monkeys. Now let's try to answer this activity. Number 1 is given as an example. Number 1, These are two stars. We have two stars here and it is near. And that is why we are going to use this. These are two stars. Now, number two. Blank are three balls. Now we have here three balls and it is near or far? It is near. So we are going to write these are three balls. Number three. Blank are two whiteboards. So we have here two whiteboards and it is far. So if it's far, what are we going to use? We are going to use those. Those are two whiteboards. Number four. Blank are four rubbers. It is far and how many rubbers? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So since we have 4 rubbers and it is far, we are going to use those. Those are 4 rubbers. Now for the last number, number 5, blank are 2 umbrellas. We have 2 umbrellas and it is near, so we are going to use this. These are 2 umbrellas. Okay, now for our third vocabulary, ball. What is a ball? I think everybody knows what ball is. This one is an example of a ball. A ball is a round or roundish object used in a game or sport. We have here the ball from the basketball, or we could have another ball from the football, and so on. Now, for our sit work, the last activity for today, please go to classwork and answer the sit work in Google form. Make sure you've listed all the vocabulary words I mentioned in this video. Good luck, and that's all for today. Goodbye, class!